AI is reshaping how industries, governments, and societies innovate. At Midis Group, with a presence across 3 continents and strong vendor alliances, we are driving this transformation. From AI factories to advancing generative AI and promoting digital transformation and sustainable technologies, we empower organizations with efficiency, security, and smarter decisions. As per IDC, Midis Group is leading in 2 major markets, UAE and Saudi, in the META region, of $24 billion of IT services in 2024, with a projection for a total IT spending to reach $170 billion by 2029. With our expertise and footprint, we are ready to capture the AI momentum and support our customers' digital future. At Gitex, Midis will be at the Majlis as always and across partner stands, showcasing real customer solutions in cloud, cybersecurity, and enterprise transformation powered by AI. We'll highlight how our trusted partner ecosystem and professional services deliver true end-to-end digital transformation. For us, and from an experience of 30+ years of participation, Gitex is more than a showcase. It's where partnerships deepen, opportunities emerge, and digital growth accelerates. With next year's move to Expo, the stage only gets bigger. State-of-the-art venue and massive scale. A truly world-class facility. I had the opportunity to visit the site. The modern infrastructure and spacious capacity will attract high-value clients, investors, and global exhibitors. An opportunity for meaningful business connections and for scaling AI's impact with our partners.